Hi, sweetie.
My birthday.
You think that's your birthday present?
Yeah.
I found it when I came downstairs. It's from the Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny brought me that.
Do you want to come see it?
Yes. I couldn't understand you.
Okay.
I have purple pants.
I see that. I like them.
Very nice purple pants you have.
My birthday.
What is all that?
What's this? What's this? What's this?
That's mango and yogurt.
Oh. My plate. My plate.
That's for Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yeah. You want to take it out?